Welcome class first. Today we will start a new chapter 12, capital letters. So where do we use capital letters? This we will learn in this chapter. So here some rules are written. You have to just learn the rule properly. So first one is we use a capital letter to start a sentence. Wherever we are starting any sentence, okay, or beginning any sentence, then that sentence will start from capital letter. Firstly, to tell me, you know na capital letters, okay, A B C D in capital letters. So there are some rules which I will tell you. First, I have told you use capital letter to start a sentence. Like in this chapter, Sheena and Sonia are playing and talking in the park. Full stop. After full stop, new sentence is going to start. Whenever new sentence is going to start, it will start with capital letter. Let's read what they are talking about. Again full stop. Then after full stop, next sentence. Then we'll start with the capital letter. This is the first rule, that every sentence will start with capital letter. Second thing, whatever the names are there, if names are coming in the middle of the sentence, then too we will write the names with capital letter. We will start with capital letter to write the, or which type of name. So here I have written to write the name of days. If we are writing name of days means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, then we will write with capital letter. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, etc. Okay, so name of days and name of month. Name of month means January, February. Okay, so all are these names also we will write with capital letter. Special names like my name, your father, mother, neighbor, sister, brothers names we will write with capital letter, like Raju, Nita, etc. Unique things like sun, earth, okay, moon, so we will start with capital letter. Name of festival, Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid. So all names of festival we will start with capital letter. Name of language also we have to write with capital letter. English, Hindi, Urdu, whatever languages are there. Okay, so basically the names, either it is day's name, month name, hour name, things name, special things name, festival, language, so all the name we will start with capital letter. Either it is coming in the middle of the sentence or beginning of the sentence or at the last of the sentence. Okay, one more thing, if I is coming in middle or in beginning of the sentence, single I, then we always write I in capital letter. Okay, now after that you will do this exercise. Write capital letters. I, the capital I we will write. Delhi is the name of place, so we will write always D capital. Okay, moon is a unique thing, we will write capital M. Everest, name of mountain, so we will write first letter capital. Sunday, name of day, we will write first letter capital. Red Fort, place name, okay, monument name, so we will write capital R and capital F. September, name of month, capital S. Hindi, name of language, capital H. Christmas, name of festival, the capital C we will start. Now a sentence is written. My name is Rahul. So sentence, whenever we will start sentence, that letter should be capital. My name is, and Rahul is a name, okay, special name. So R will be capital. Then full stop. After full stop, if there is any other sentence, then we again start with capital letter. Now next exercise, this do in copy. After completing capital letter exercise, this one, we will do this exercise in copy. Pair these butterfly to form three complete sentences and write them in a given space. So Sheena and Sonia were playing. One sentence. Okay. They saw many trees and plants. This is the second sentence. Okay. Sheena told Sonia many new things. You will firstly pair these butterfly and write these sentences in your copy. Do next exercise in book. Do in book. Dash boys are playing cricket. The boys are playing cricket. They are playing match. The umpire are watching them attentively. Help box is given. Then next one, with this picture we will write, girls are skipping. All girls are skipping. They are rehearsing for the sports day. The other children are watching them. Okay. Now here you will write month's name. Okay, month's name. This you will do in copy. Month's name will start with capital letter. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August till December. You will write yourself. Do in copy. Then days of week. Days of week means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and at the last Saturday. Okay, this you will do in book only. Okay, now next exercise. This exercise is use capital letters and full stops. So first letter should be capital. My name is Rahul is a name. So R will be capital and then full stop. I live in a flat. I capital and others are is in small and there is no name. So we will other sentence we will write in small letter full stop. I am overweight. I capital am overweight. No other names are there and write as it is full stop. Next, I go to school every day. I go to school every day full stop. I am happy. I capital. If I is coming in the middle of the sentence, then to we will write in a capital letter. To meet my friends. Full stop. This is answer. Now write 5 sentences about yourself here in book. Do it to yourself. This also you will do in book. Okay, now do sound practice. Wind, wind, live, live, king, kind, kill, bill, hill, list, fill, chill, mill, blind, mind, bind, line, time, nine, nice. Here your syllabus is completed, annual syllabus. So after completing this work, you will write annual syllabus of English second completed. Okay, so that you are able to see this much you have to learn, and the exercises you have done in book, that exercises you too will learn daily. One 2 or 3 exercises daily you have to learn. So here our English second syllabus is completed, and English first only one chapter is left. I will do it. Thank you.